Thank you very much. The next presentation is titled Enhancing Crew Management Efficiency Through AI. Mr. Nikolaos Tsoulakos, Innovation and Technology Manager at Laskaridis Shipping. Please join us. Thank you.
Hello, everybody. My name is Tsoulakos Nikolaos. I'm Innovation and Technology Manager in Laskaridis Shipping. Today, I'm going to present you, let's say, a not common subject, how AI can be integrated and how can be adopted in crew departments. So the title is Enhancing Crew Management Efficiency Through Artificial Intelligence. So what is the evolving role of artificial intelligence in crew management? There is a growing complexity in managing the crew data, the reports, and the selection procedures. There is also an increasing need for faster data-driven decision making, or to say better, decision supporting. And of course, AI can be indeed a tool to enhance accuracy, transparency, and efficiency. So what are the key issues faced by the crew department? First of all, the large volume of crew data to process and update on a regular basis. The manual evaluation of seafarer performance, feedback, and reports. This procedure is pretty demanding and time-consuming. And of course, the next one, the time-consuming selection and the matching of suitable candidates. Of course, there is also and always a difficulty in identifying trends, risks, and potential performance issues at an early stage. And there are also limited insights from fragmented, missing, or let's say qualitative data, which of course cannot be measured as they are not quantitative. Now, how can AI transform the crew management? It can automate candidate screening and ranking based on multiple criteria. It can identify patterns in historical data to improve the selection accuracy, and can enhance reporting and feedback analysis using natural language processing, supports predictive analytics, like, for example, performance prediction or the likelihood of retention. And of course, reduces administrative workload, thus allowing staff to focus more on higher value, let's say, tasks. This is important here because what can AI can do, I'm gonna analyze. Okay, I'm gonna analyze later. I'm not gonna mention now. What are the expected benefits from AI integration? First of all, faster decision making and more consistent evaluation of the crew members. There is an improved quality of crew placement and retention, because it's important to keep your seafarers in the company and in your crew pool. Of course, the early detection of performance or compliance risks, the streamlined internal communication and reporting, and of course, the data-driven insights that AI can offer for making better the strategic planning of a company. Now, let's move toward an artificial intelligence enhanced crew operation system. It's important to evaluate and test the AI-driven assessment modules within the existing systems. It's important to identify what gap there is and what you want to do really. Then integrate AI tools for data processing, evaluation, and reporting. Monitor efficiency gains and adjust, of course, processes accordingly in order to match the expectation or what you want to really see and what you want to really do. And of course, you have to train the staff to interpret and use the AI-generated insights effectively. Now, preparing for the future of crew management, AI, as I mentioned before, can offer a significant opportunity to make the crew operations pretty modern. And the crew department is actually, our crew department is actually exploring solutions to support data-driven decision making. And of course, the ultimate goal is to adopt an AI-supported system to enhance accuracy, speed, and transparency in all crew management activities. Now, about in Laskaridis shipping, we are trying to enhance crew competence through simulation-based training. Of course, the use of bridge and engine simulators provides a realistic environment for both deck and engine officers to develop and, of course, refine their technical and decision-making skills. It can enable hands-on training and in navigation, machinery operation, and emergency response without any operational risk or with reduced operational risk. Of course, it can improve team coordination between deck and engine departments through joint scenario exercises. It allows repetition of complex or rare situation scenarios, reinforcing learning and confidence. It can contribute to safer, more efficient ship operations by ensuring that seafarers are fully prepared for real-world challenges. And last but not least, supports continuous professional development and aligns with international training standards. Now, how artificial intelligence can be seamlessly implemented in crew operations, how we can make crew departments embrace artificial intelligence and put it in, let's say, in their daily routine. You need to begin with a centralized digital platform that consolidates all crew data, such as applications, reports, contracts, and evaluation reports. You need to develop AI algorithms capable of analyzing all these millions of data points to identify the best crew vessel matches and predict performance outcomes. And what I'm trying to say here is that through AI, you can match crew members. For example, if a crew member is doing well with another crew member, for example, a captain with a chief officer, this, with the assistance of AI, automatically the system will propose these two to be together. Of course, it can draw conclusions and make suggestions based on the crew experience as well. So it takes into consideration all these factors that until now it's been done manually by our crew departments. It can enable real-time analytics through automated data collection from various sources like maining agents, training centers, onboard reports, and performance records. It can use predictive insights for salary benchmarking, retention risks, and compliance tracking. It can integrate artificial intelligence gradually within existing crew management software through API-based workflows and modular automation. There's no need for any full system replacement, and it's important to mention here this fact. And of course, you can ensure data integrity and transparency with consistent, let's say, validation and feedback loops. Now, what we are doing in Laskaridis, we have such a system, and we are now in discussions to expand it a little bit and update it a little bit and make it better and more AI, let's say, based, as this system can provide us powerful reporting and generate real-time customizable reports that indeed meet Laskaridis shipping needs and industry standards. It can be fully customizable, tailored to match our policies, the SMS, ISM workflows and procedures, and of course the reporting standards. It makes our company compliance ready in order to build up for right ship and dry DBMS compliance, ensuring of course in this way that we stay audit ready at all times. And of course it can provide a seamless integration, as it can integrate, you can integrate easily with all existing systems in order to centralize the company's operations. Of course, there are also other AI tools or applications that are related to crew. I just focused on something that is not that common, but of course we have installed on board smart cameras where an integrated vessel platform, monitoring platform is installed on board and can proactively alert ship owners, managers and seafarers, of course, to on-board safety events in real time. There are adaptive learning platforms that can tailor e-learning or simulator exercises based on crew performance and feedback. There are AI-based fatigue monitoring systems that can analyze work test patterns and suggest optimal scheduling to prevent the human error. There are voice-to-text and smart data entry tools which help officers record information faster and more accurately. Enhance situational awareness through AI-powered navigation support in order to avoid possible collisions, or advanced weather routing systems. Of course, as the previous speaker mentioned, there are virtual reality or better augmented reality systems and AI-driven simulators which make on-board and shore-based training more realistic and effective. And of course, there are AI chatbots and digital assistants which can provide mental health support, welfare information, or on-board services 24/7. And something I like to say is that artificial intelligence will not steer the ship, but those who know how to use it will sail ahead. So, thank you very much. I kept the time.